Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by isolating hardware variables, swap to a known good USB cable, and move to a different port to rule out a bad connector. Once done, make sure the device has power and any LEDs indicate activity, because low battery often causes intermittent disconnects. Then, open Notifications and Device Manager to see error codes or exclamation marks. These clues tell you whether this is a driver, hardware, or power issue, so you can choose the correct next step without guessing. Next, focus on software and power behavior. In Device Manager, uninstall the device driver, then scan for hardware changes to force a fresh driver install, because corrupted drivers often create disconnects. Also change power settings, disable USB selective suspend, and turn off power saving for USB hubs, so the system won't cut power mid-transfer. Once those changes are applied, test the device on another computer. This step isolates whether the problem is specific to your operating system or the device itself, streamlining further fixes. For final resolution, use a powered USB hub or switch port types, USB-A versus USB-C, because inadequate bus power is a common culprit. Then update firmware on the device and the motherboard USB controller or BIOS/UEFI, since firmware mismatches can create instability. If disconnects persist despite these steps, back up your data and perform a factory reset or seek professional repair. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent disconnects remain, replicate the issue while logging device manager events to capture error codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.